January 29th. I think you know where I'm at, and you probably are curious as to what the water conditions are. Well, here's the boat ramp. Looks like it's open. The problem is, way out there in the middle of the lake, you can see that line, that's ice. The wind is blowing from the east, which is not good. It's blowing right in my face. And here's the kayak boat ramp. Oh, familiar car. Wide open. Almost to the other side. And here's the east boat ramp. Right ahead. I don't know what I'm doing yet. I think I'm gonna throw a live worm real quick. See if I could see a perch. And then I'll probably go to 113. See what's going on there. And I'm on 113. Here to the right you see the Fiendsville access boat ramp. But we're gonna go over the bridge 113 that you always see me fish under or fish next to. Okay, here's the bridge. Over the bridge. Okay, it's the red building right ahead of us. It's the Upper Schuylkill Valley Park. That's the Wildlife Center. And at the silo, you make a right. Park closes at sunset. I don't see anyone. Let's see, we're gonna turn here. See my fishing rods, and I should be able to see them from here. Yeah. Okay, you remember this view? Let's go get the fishing rods out. I just came back from Marsh Creek Lake. It's still iced up, but there is some free spots. I didn't catch anything. I tried to catch perch, but there's still ice on the water. So I came back to 113, and I've got chicken liver, and that's what I'm using on this rod. And I don't know what I want to put here. I'm going to put something different on this. Well, that didn't take too long. Got a beautiful channel catfish on chicken liver. All right. Nice and fatty. Healthy looking. Yeah. Okay, let's do it again. Yeah, me and my buddy fishing today. Oh, gee, we got a nice tan. No, this is Wade. This is my other buddy.
It ain't too bad today.
He's a kayaker too.
He tries.
It's nice. It's nice. At Marsh Creek was very windy. Cold. The wind was blowing in my face.
You gotta watch that because you know you can get
Why don't you come to the ramp for a second? Let's take Wayne to the ramp. Come on.
That looks like a Christmas tree.
That's right. Oh yeah. So you just came from work and you head out here. All right. Okay. Watch, don't slip here. Let me show you something over here.
Oh, you put a cat?
Huh?
Oh.
Oh. You want to play with him? You want to see what a fish feels like? Yeah, he's coming home with me. Unless you want him.
No. I get my own.
Yeah, right. We'll
How
see.
long you been out here?
If you don't get your own, do you want him?
No.
It's a gift from me to you.
No. You take him home.
Nice and clean.
Yeah.
Nice and cold.
Eddie, I'm a fisherman now. I get my own.
Okay. Wayne,
Yeah.
when was the last time you got your own? The last time the last time you ate fish, where did you get it from?
Oh, from the store. I got some in the freezer.
Okay.
Farm raised.
Ah.
Catfish. I still got 2 big bags.
There you go. Okay. This is a gift from me to you if you
nice
want
size.
it.
What?
Been hanging around waiting.
That's a channel, right?
That's a channel catfish. Yeah.
See, I know.
All right.
So how long you been out here?
I guess it's true. And
I remember one time you told me you was going to be out here and you didn't come.
Yeah, well, sometimes I lie. Oh, sometimes other things come up. That's why we have a phone.
I know.
Oh yeah, you down there, you know. Let me see. Yeah, I was here like 20 minutes, and I got him, and nothing since. Is that crazy?
I do.
All right, let's sit down and wait for the bite. So yesterday, I came here and I jumped right here for carp. Nothing for 3 hours. So today I decided to get some chicken liver and come out here and see the channel catfish bite. Well, you see the results. Wayne, if you want, bring him around the rod. So bring him around my rod, underneath. Like Wayne got his own dinner. Now he's cursing. He's cursing about something. Come on. Come on. Okay. Looking good, Wayne. Just be careful, because I don't think it's slippery, but
Take it easy now. Take it easy, boy. Take it easy now.
he might have him.
Reel him in.
He might have him.
Just reel him in. Oh, take it easy. Come on, boy. You can do it. Come on now. Don't get by the rocks. Oh, boy. Over this way now.
He's talking to the fish. He's talking to he's talking. He's not reeling, he's talking to him. Okay. I think it looks good. I think he's got a keeper. Should I get my grips? Should I get my grips?
I got grips.
Where are they at?
Over there.
Do you know what to do with this fish?
Yeah. But of course.
Okay. Whoa. He's complaining.
That's it. Where's the gills?
No. Not the way I told him. Put your hand underneath both of them.
I also can do like this.
Right, underneath both of them.
Without just getting my hand stuck on there.
No, don't. Just put it underneath there. Okay, we're gonna take him to the. Are we taking him over there?
Yes, we are.
Let's go.
That's a nice size too,
I
isn't
got the rod.
Huh?
Yeah, we're gonna eat good today.
All right.
They don't fight as hard as they do in the summertime, do they?
No. It must be cold and they go through this dormant period or something or other.
Okay. Got him out?
Yeah.
Alright. Let me get the video. Alright guys. I got mine.
Wayne got his.
Come on, bring him here. Bring him next to mine. Make yours look bigger. It's been a good day.
Yeah. Oh,
next time, Gene, it'll be you. Move back so we can see your face, Wayne. Don't even see my face.
All
It's
right.
a good day. What day is it today?
The day is the 29th.
29th of January.
2018. When you get old, that's what happens.
Been a good day. Where you at, Gene? I had to trade you in for Wayne. It could have been you.
Oh,
did you have a good time, Wayne?
Oh, lovely time.
Let's take
right
a
after
picture.
work.
Let's take a picture now.